Ngasigi video asidi smartphone company tarukki maramda samlappa details kharadang haijarake. Ahanbada iPhone asi produce tawkhibasi Apple company nani. Haiba asidi pikliba angang ama fawbana irai laina khangani natra masibu manufacture tawkhibana contract manufacturer Foxconn, Pegatron, Wistron, Tata Group asinani unit sold tawkhibana 1 January 2024 fawbagi oina 2.3 billion ni. Operating system na iOS ni haibadi iPhone operating system haibani. iPhone gi founder asigi maming asi Steve Jobs kawi. Mahak 1955 February 24 da pokhi. Aduga October 5 2011 da taibangpan thadokhi. Matam aduda magi sahi 53 sukre. Aduga August 2011 dagi haujik fawbada Tim Cook hairiba nupa asina Apple company gi CEO oiri. Aduga amana Apple company gi logo asi 1998 dagi sizinarapani. Headquarter na Cupertino, California, United States. Hairiba sidani anisuba sidi Samsung haina haujiki matamda chet launa maming chatliba company asigi founder asigi maming Lee Byung-chul kawi. Mahak 12 February 1910 da pokhi. Aduga 19 November 1987 da South Korea da taibangpan thadokhi. Matamaduda magi chahi 77 sukre. Aduga KC Choi hairiba nupa asina Samsung company gi haujiki CEO oiri. North America gi founded tawkhibana 1st March 1938 haibadi ngasidagi sahi 86 ki mamangdani. Headquarter na Samsung Digital City Yeoncheongu, Suwon, South Korea hariba sing asinani. Industry na conglomerate ni. Aduga Samsung asi Sanjeev Kumar hariba nupa asina India gi CEO oi. Xiaomi asi 6 April 2010 ngasidagi chahi 13 gi mamangda founded tawkhi. Masigi founder na Lei Jun, Lin Bin hariba ani sinani. Lei Jun asi 16 December 1969 da pokhi. Mahaki chahi 53 sure. Amadi mahak Chinese billionaire, entrepreneur and philanthropist amani. Mahaki occupation asi ama anikak pallabada co-founder and CEO of Xiaomi, chairman of Kingsoft, chairman of YY.com, etc. Asin chingbasing asini. Amadi Lin Bin asi 1968 da pokhi. Mahak Chinese billionaire, entrepreneur, co-founder and vice chairman amani. Xiaomi gi headquarter na Haijian District, Beijing, China dani. Production adudi mobile phone, personal computer, LOT amadi electric vehicle ni. Brand na Redmi, Oppo amadi Mijia ni. Revenue na US dollar da 40.7 billion ni. Operating income na US dollar da 0.408 billion ni. Net income na US dollar 39.72 billion ni. Number of employees na 32,543 ni. December 31, 2022 fawbada. Vivo asi 2009 ngasidagi chahi 15 gi mamangda founded tawkhi. Amadi masigi founder na Chen John Yongping hariba sinani. 4 January 1961 da Nanchang, Jiangxi, China da pokhi. Magi chahi 32 sure. Mahak Chinese amasung American billionaire, entrepreneur amani amasung electrical engineer amasuni. Aduga mahak director ama oirami Super Electronic Industry Corporation and founded BBK Electronics Group kini. Headquarter na Dongyeon amasung Guangdong, China dani. Product na smartphone, hi-fi, software and online service ni. Number of employees ta 40,000 lay. 2022 fawbada. Marak thana karigum amatang thamjahuge mayamgi mafamda madudi aigi channel gi maming asi sinjaragani maramdi khadrak madrak kaina haiba sida mayamna aina haijariba singasi khadrak madrak ta oiraboi ta khalle. Aduna channel asigi maming asi ngasidagi Pathou haina sindok tare. Realme asi 4 May 2018 da haibadi ngasidagi chahi 3 ki mamangda founded tawkhi. masigi founder na Skyly hairiba nupa asina oi. Headquarter na Shenzhen amasung Guangdong, China dani. Key people da Skyly, founder and global CEO, Yao Kun, CTO, Wang Wei, CPO. Products adudi smartphone, tablet, computer, earphones, power bank, phone case, bags, smart TV, smartwatch, laptop, hairiba sing asini. Parent na Oppo ni. Industry na consumer electronics ni. Realme hairiba smartphone brand asi world gi oina yenglakpada mapan suba rank da lay. OnePlus asibo founded tawkiba asi 1st December 2013 dani. Haibadi masidagi sahi taragi mamangdani. Masigi founder na Pathou amadi Carl Pei hairiba sing asinani. Pathou hairiba nupa asi 5th May 1975 da henchong amasung Hubei hairiba China gi mafam asida pokhi. Mahaki occupation na co-founder and CEO OnePlus kini. Carl Pei Yu hairiba nupa asi 11th September 1989 da Beijing hairiba China gi mafam asida pokhi. Magi chahi 34 sure. Citizenship na Sweden ni. Occupation na entrepreneur ni. Mahak OnePlus ki co-founder amani. Aduga nothing gi su founder ni. Mahak Chinese amasung Swedish ki entrepreneur amani. Key people da Pathou co-founder amasung CEO ni. Product da smartphone, earphone, power bank, oxygen OS, phone case, shirt, bag, television, smartwatch ni. Number of employees da 2,700 ni. Ngasigidi matang asida loisinjarake. Eina haibada soikhiba amadi wathouba yaoragasu mayamna ngakpigani. Adubu yariba makhaidi soidanaba honanjage.